Hello there, welcome to Jubilant. In this video we are going to export records to Excel from Vtiger CRM, same as CSV file export. Export records to Excel extension provides a targeted solution that Vtiger CRM users can export their data they need based on their preference. This process can save time and ensures efficient data management. Choose the specific records you want to export. You can also select multiple records to export to Excel. After selecting the records, click on the More, then Export to Excel option within the extension. From here, select the fields relevant to your report. By default, you can export selected records to CSV, or export data in current page, or export all data to CSV. But here is the problem that, when you export to CSV file, you want to change it to Excel format for the customization. With this extension, you can export all fields directly into an Excel file or select only the fields visible in your current list view for a streamlined support. By clicking Export Leads, the file will automatically download in Excel format containing only the specified fields. By following these steps, Vtiger users can focus on their data management, making their CRM exports quicker, cleaner, and ultimately more valuable for strategic decision-making. All the times the users face a common problem that they can't export only the specific fields they need. By default, Vtiger exports all the fields of data, and it leads to messy and unnecessary data overload. Here, Export Records to Excel extension provides a targeted solution that Vtiger CRM users can export their data they need based on their preference. This process can save time and ensures efficient data management. To know more about Vtiger CRM, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.